ng Catanduanes. Kaya anong marinig ko na meron ang JCI Catanduanes. So, na-inlove na naman ulit ako.
On behalf of JCI Naga Cariñosa, we extend our warmest congratulations and a heartfelt welcome as you officially join the Junior Chamber International.
Because it really matters for JCI Catanduanes members and the chapter itself na all of you guys are present on their first regional hosting activity. So, hindi nila yun makakalimutan and tatatak yun sa isip nila at sa puso nila. Nakakatuwa na dito ko na celebrate 30th induction ko sa Catanduanes. At kagabi nag-uusap kami ni RVP Domar. Sabi ka namin, babaguhin ng Catanduanes ang landscape ng awards. Pero guys, is it worth it? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. Are you happy welcoming JCI Philippines sa Catanduanes? Yes. Sulit ba yung pagod? Yes. Sulit ba yung sleepless night?
So, alam niyo po, sa JCI, the only authority that is being wielded by a president is none other than the gavel. Wield it unflinchingly but righteously, with courage but with humility.
Gawin nyo na yung best nyo para hindi nyo pagsisihan yung 1 year to lead ninyo. Because whatever it is, hindi nyo na yung mababalikan yung 1 year to lead.
Always look back how you show up despite of sometimes umiiyak ka na.
Hindi nila alam na meron 6 provinces sa people. So, ganun tayo ka-intact, ka-unified.
On behalf of the members of JCI Catanduanes, thank you so much. Walang sawang pasasalamat and my words are really not enough.
Lagi namin inuuna Diyos. So, sa lahat po lang nandito, Diyos, maraming sa inyo, boss.